Innovation Nation today brings us to an interesting workshop, Zentra Skilling Workshop, together with West Plus Uganda. They do have this amazing workstation where plastic is not just seen as waste, it is raw material. Now, this particular plastic has birthed this table, this chair, this filament, and this robot. We are just about to find out how they were able to come up with such products using plastic. Welcome.
What we do is we skill children on technology. I'm a background of a developer, I'm a software developer. So my dream and passion is to skill children more on the community-based innovation. And how do we do this? We don't only do technology, we also teach children on gaming, on creating video games, recycling, and 3-boats using the technology.
Working alongside partners such as Freeboat and West Plus Limited, the hub teaches participants how to collect, sort and recycle plastic waste into useful materials. Some of the recycled plastic is converted into filaments, which are then used in the development of robotics projects and other technological innovations.
Partnership with Zentra is very essential, especially for shaping the future of young kids, where kids have to learn about plastic waste and how that waste is actually being able to be turned into filaments for the manufacture, especially where kids have to open up to new technologies in AI, in the manufacture of robots. So we're very glad that this is an opportunity for young kids, especially those between ages of 5 to 10 to understand what this actually means for the next generation.
At Zentra Skills, discarded plastic is being given a second life while helping shape the next generation of innovators. The organization trains children and young people in recycling, robotics, and other STEM-related fields, with a special focus on those from underprivileged backgrounds and learners whose abilities are often overlooked in traditional classroom settings.
For us at Zentra, we don't see this as a waste. We use the waste to create filament, which come out like this, to make robots and assemble them through a 3D printer to make the robot and skill children onto them. And what is the benefit? As a mother, I've noticed that many children are being misunderstood. Okay? They want to learn how to skill and they want technology, but they're forced to read books and do others. So the innovation helps the children, one, to concentrate, but also give them the confidence to identify who they are.
What we have here today is our STEM robot. It's called the E3-bot. It basically uses a microcontroller, 2 servo motors as wheels, and then at the heartbeat of it is a phone and a mobile application, which brings it all together. Now, what students can be able to learn from this robot is, number one, fundamentals of engineering. So we have, as part of our curriculum, we have a design course where we design all of these plastic components for this device. As you can see here, all of these ones have been designed in a digital tool. And then all of these pieces of plastic here as well come from what we refer to as 3D printing. So 3D printing is a very integral part of the process, as it helps us with our partners, obviously, to be able to use some of the waste plastic that is in our environment to create filaments, which thereafter leads us to building such tools.
Beyond robotics, the recycled plastic is also transformed into practical products such as chairs and other items, demonstrating how waste can become a valuable resource while creating learning opportunities for young people. Through hands-on training, participants gain skills in environmental conservation, problem solving and technology, helping prepare them for future careers in innovation and entrepreneurship.
So with this flake, we feed it to our machine, it heats up, and later on, it's extruded into the mold, which can give us such products. These products. All this adds up to the story of protecting our environment. When we make such products, we work with engineers and carpenters who can design and make such tables, these ones. So together with Zentra, we try to improve our environment through innovation and creativity. So if you see these young people coming up with innovation and ideas and technology, AI and all other scientific kind of capabilities, we are able to build different things. Today you've seen the robots, we have the tables, we have the chairs, and all this add up our inclusive story of circularity.
The initiative highlights how recycling can do more than protect the environment. It can also empower young people with skills that enable them to become creators, innovators, and agents of change in their communities. Innovation, play, recycle, repeat. And that is the working formula for the team at Zentra. And to them, it is addressing the future of work and also speaking to the future of learning. I'm Joram Paul Sonko in Busabala, NTV Innovation Nation.